Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Facebook not working on Chrome problem. The solutions in this video I researched for 1 to 2 hours. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. For absolute solution and not to miss the steps, watch the video until the end, then follow the steps one by one with me. Our first solution is to disable all extensions. For this we open Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right. Here we come to the More Tools option. And then we find Extensions and click it. On the page that opens, we see the extensions available in our browser. What we need to do here is to disable all extensions. This was our first solution. Now you can relaunch Chrome and check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to clear Chrome's cache files. To do this, we open Chrome. Then click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right. Here we click on Settings. Then we enter Privacy and Security on the left. After doing this, we click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure time range is all time here. Then we tick the 3 boxes below. Here you can untick the browsing history option if you want. I will tick it because it doesn't matter much to me. After ticking the boxes, we click on the Clear Data option. Remember, after clearing your data, you will need to log in again on most sites. This was our second solution. Now you can relaunch Chrome and check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is reset Chrome's settings. For this we open Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right. Here we click on Settings. Then click on Advanced on the left. From here, we click on the Reset and Cleanup option. After doing this, we click on Restore Settings to their original defaults and finally we click on Reset Settings. This was our third solution. Now you can open Chrome again and check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to update Chrome. To do this, we open Chrome. Then click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right. And then we click on Settings. Now all we have to do is click About Chrome in the lower left. After clicking About Chrome, Chrome will automatically update itself. This was our fourth solution. Now you can relaunch Chrome and check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fifth solution. Our fifth solution is to use Google Public DNS. To do this, we open Chrome. And click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right. Here we click on Settings. Then we enter Privacy and Security on the left. The next thing we have to do is enter Security. After scrolling a little bit, we come to the DNS section under Advanced. Here we tick the With Custom option. And finally we click on Custom and select Google Public DNS from here. Now we can check if the problem is solved. And yes, as you can see, we have fixed Facebook not working on Chrome problem by doing these steps. Now you can continue using Facebook without any problems. Before the video ends, there are 2 more quick solutions that I want to tell you about that might work. The first quick solution is to try to log into Facebook using another browser. The second quick solution is to log into Facebook from an incognito tab. We have come to the end of our video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.